For over a decade, virtually all modern software was built in one place. GitHub served as the central nervous system of the internet, holding the code for everything from indie video games to global banking infrastructure. But that dominance is slipping. High-profile open-source projects, including the Zig programming language and the terminal emulator Ghosty, have recently packed up their code and walked away. These departures follow a systemic platform meltdown, making daily development work increasingly difficult for many projects. This heat map tracks GitHub's reliability over the last 12 months, highlighting an increasing density of major outages. In just 1 year, the platform suffered 48 significant service failures. These failures go deeper than simple downtime. Recent incidents include data corruption within pull requests and the discovery of a remote code execution vulnerability that left millions of repositories exposed. At the same time, the human cost is rising. Open source maintainers are reaching a breaking point as they struggle to manage a constant flood of AI-generated spam issues and automated pull requests. The once reliable giant of code hosting has become an insecure environment that its most experienced users are now desperate to escape. This shift in reliability followed a major corporate reorganization. In late 2025, GitHub's CEO resigned. The position was eliminated, and the entire platform was absorbed into Microsoft's core AI division. Following that integration, GitHub's strategic priority moved toward building an AI-powered developer platform. This led to the aggressive rollout of Copilot features, including a controversial update that allowed the AI to insert advertisements directly into user pull requests. While the company prioritized AI features, it simultaneously cut 85% of its workforce in India, including the engineering teams responsible for the platform's core infrastructure. Central to the new mission was the promotion of agentic workflows, where autonomous AI agents are encouraged to write and commit code without human intervention. This chart shows the direct result of those workflows. While human activity remained steady, the platform saw a 30-fold increase in automated traffic that overwhelmed its baseline capacity. This surge hit while GitHub was in the middle of a massive migration, attempting to move its legacy databases onto the Microsoft Azure cloud. The monolithic databases couldn't scale fast enough to meet the AI demand. The resulting load broke foundational services like GitHub Actions and basic Git push and pull operations. The very AI tools GitHub pushed to its users created a self-inflicted traffic spike that crippled the platform's core stability. Prioritizing experimental AI features over foundational engineering led to an accumulation of technical rot in the system's core. The most dangerous proof of this neglect was CVE 2026-3854. A critical vulnerability that allowed for remote code execution on GitHub's backend. This diagram shows the internal xstat header. Because the system didn't sanitize semicolons, a user could inject a single character to break the protocol's logic and create an unauthorized field. This bypassed the production sandbox, granting researchers full root access to the server. The existence of such a fundamental security flaw in the Git pipeline indicates that the platform's focus had shifted away from the basic safety of the code it hosts. For many developers, the platform's primary function is now that of a massive AI training ground and a specialized enterprise product. This has forced a realization in the open source community. Centralizing the world's code under a single corporate entity is a strategic vulnerability. We are now seeing a re-decentralization of the market as developers seek alternatives that prioritize control and reliability. This node map illustrates the migration. Many large enterprises are moving their work to GitLab, while indie developers are opting for the minimalist, text-first environment of SourceHut. Nonprofit projects are increasingly relocating to community-run platforms like Codeberg, while security-conscious teams are moving toward peer-to-peer networks like Radical. GitHub will maintain its revenue and corporate users through deep enterprise integration, but its role in the developer community has been fundamentally changed. By treating its infrastructure as an experimental AI platform, GitHub compromised the trust of the developers who built it, fracturing the centralized home for code it spent a decade